Hello friends, welcome to Digital French channel. Today's topic is, how do I fix my taskbar alignment? Typically, the taskbar icons are centered in Windows 11, but you can also align them to the left side of the taskbar. Right-click a blank area on the taskbar, then click Taskbar Settings. The Settings app will open to personalization. Click the Taskbar Behaviors drop-down to see more settings. From here, you can set the taskbar alignment to left. If you like, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.